Hi viewers, welcome to Feel Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So it's a collective reading. So who are watching collective reading continuously, they know that we will pull 3 cards from the deck. Based on 3 cards, we will get the clarifiers so that the reading will go on based on the clarifiers. Okay. So let's get into the reading. We will pull 3 cards for today's situation are the energies. Give me 3 cards for the situation. Cards are jumping like anything. All are in the reverse. Let me take it in the reverse. So here Page of Pentacles in the reverse, Knight of Cups in the reverse, 4 of Cups in the upright. So here the situation is someone don't want to walk. Actually here someone looking for the friendship, at least some kind of friendship, acquaintance kind of relationship. They are not getting it. They are rejected from that friendship, I can say. Or they removed from the friend group. One person, Page of Pentacles, is removed from friend group, or at least they want to have some friendship with someone where they are get rejected, I can say, or they are not getting opportunity to get that friendship. Okay, because Page of Pentacles is nothing but just friendship, just knowing people, acquaintance kind of relationship. And here 8 of Cups is this person is not ready to move on from this situation. Even though it is rejected as a friend, they don't want to move on from the situation, because 8 of Cups is they need to move on from the situation. But here they are not ready to move on from the situation. I think here today's energies is completely one energy. This Page of Pentacles, they got rejected from someone's friendship or friend group. They are not having, they are eagerly waiting, or they are looking for some kind of friendship. They are not getting it. They need to walk away from the situation. They are not ready to walk away. Actually, this person recently came to understand that what is love and all, because in the past they may be having some issues. They are dealing with those issues. This 4 of Cups is nothing but having lot of love around you, but unable to accept it, or unable to recognize that love. They are not in a position to recognize or accept that love because of some issues, their own issues, not about others. So here this person finally came out of it. I cannot say completely same person, because this person is, at least they are looking for friendship, they are not getting. Here this person is having lot of love, and finally they are recognizing it. In the past they are not recognized it. In the past they ignored all those cups. They are not even looking at cup, but now they understood that there are so many opportunities, there are so many people who want to offer love to them, care to them. So they are finally, it is not that they are accepting, but at least finally they are looking at that cups. They are watching, they are taking a look at it. In the past they completely ignored it. They are not in a position to look at it. Now this person at least understanding that there are so many loving, caring people around them, and there are so many opportunities in the area of love, so they can take it. But as of now they are not taking. They are just came to know that there are opportunities. It is not that they are in a situation where there is no love. Okay, they are recognizing it. So now you can understand whose energy is whose. I think this pentacle is, it can be any earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and this 8 of Cups is completely Pisces, and this 4 of Cups is Cancerian. Okay, this is Virgo. Especially if we come to one sign, Virgo, Pisces, Cancerian. So let's see the clarifiers, then we can understand the better from whom this person is expecting the friendship and why they got rejected. Even though it is rejected, they are still expecting. Give the clarifiers for the Page of Pentacles. 3 clarifies. Cards are jumping. Page, Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. So here, clarifies for Page of Pentacles in the reverse is Page of Wands, Ace of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. This Page of Wands is very confident person. They are like a kid mindset, very creative, very confident, very brave, very passionate kid who want to do something, who want to achieve something, are very communicative kid, very passionate, who do passion towards whatever they are doing or whatever they pursue. But it is in a page level, immature level, still they need to grow up. So because of that they may be, it is like people won't believe them that easily because of that immaturity or that growth, the maturity should be needed here. I think this person is looking for some kind of love in their life. Page of Wands energy is immature, but see, whoever that person is, they may be very aged, but their nature, the maturity level is like a kid. They are expecting some kind of love. I think in this situation there is Queen of Pentacles is here. It is like in this situation Queen of Pentacles, Page of Wands is there. They are expecting some love between them. And Queen of Pentacles, we all know that it is a motherly energy who is very stable, grounded, who know how to nurture the people, things, pets, how to take care of everyone, how to keep the things safety, security, that stability. This Page of Wands interested in this Queen of Pentacles. That's a good thing. Actually, it is a good relationship, but when it comes to mother and kid, because Queen of Pentacles is mother energy and Page of Wands is child energy. And she know, Queen of Pentacles know that how to handle this Page of Wands, because she is a mother. No matter whether they are feminine or masculine, they have that. Even though it is a man, they have that motherly nurturing nature. That means they are very good in that feminine energy. They have balanced feminine energy. That is also one reason they are good at handling this Page of Wands. Okay. So let's get the clarifies for this 8 of Cups in the reverse. 2 more clarifies for 8 of Cups in the reverse. Clarifies. I'm not keeping cards. One more. So here 8 of Cups in the reverse, we found 3 clarifies. One is Page of Swords, again Page. One is Hermit, one is the Hanged Man. So here 3 energies are completely different. So we cannot say it is It's like this page of swords, page of wands. So there is some immature energy is there in this reading, collective reading. These three people don't want to walk away from the situation. This page of swords is very matured again. They are very communicative, active, passionate, ready to take action, but in an immature level. Because as a kid, they don't know much, or I can say they cannot do great things, or the people, they cannot handle heavy things, or if things get very serious, they cannot handle it. So, okay, that's what the energy. They are very communicative, very passionate, they are ready to take the action, that kind of person. But when things get serious, they don't know how to handle it, because it is a page. They show that courage, they show that enthusiasm, they show that passion, but when it comes to, in the starting, initially it is okay, but when it comes to seriousness, complicated things, they cannot handle it. They lack that maturity. That is also one reason why they cannot handle it. They need to get mature more. That maturity is needed. And one person is hermit mode. This person need to seek that they are seeking for some kind of truth, I can say, or they want to go within themselves, because it is like some kind of journey within themselves. It is a spiritual journey, or they have a lot of questions about themselves, especially about their identity. So for that they need to do that. It's a good thing. Actually, they need to do that inner work, and it is came under the 8 of Cups energy. That means they are not walking away from it. They are ready to do that inner work. They are ready to go within themselves and find the answers. They want to seek this light within themselves, and they are going to find it. They are not going to give up, because they are not gone from this energy. They are ready to go within themselves and find the answers. And this person not ready to immature, I can say, because it is 8 of Cups energy. They are immature. Whatever the situation is there, here two people are very immature people. At least one person is very mature, one person is younger, one is very kid energy. So three people, how they involved in the situation, we will see. And one person is in the past, we don't know, but here they are not taking any action, but at least they are seeing the things in a different perception. They changed their perception, I can say. They are not taking any action, they are not moving anywhere, because here 8 of Cups in the reverse. That is also one reason why they are not moving anywhere. They are not going anywhere. They are in the situation. They don't want to leave the situation, but whatever situation it may be, they are looking at this situation in different perception. Okay. So let's get the clarifiers for 4 of Cups in the reverse. 3 clarifies for 4 of Cups in the reverse. Three people are involved in this situation. One is very immature, kid energy. One is matured, one is young person. So 3 generations are there, I can say. So here So for clarifies for this Four of Cups is Three of Pentacles in the reverse, Four of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. So here I think Four of Cups energy, someone is there who is, as I said, in the past they are not in a position to look at the options. Now this person is taking look at their options, taking notice of the options, whatever opportunities are around them. And what kind of opportunities they have is, one is Three of Pentacles in the reverse, who don't want to put any kind of work, who don't want to do anything. But I don't know how come they want to offer love, because this person is don't want to work on it. And one more person is very clingy, very greedy, very materialistic person, or at least whatever it is there, they are not ready to share with anyone. They want everything for themselves. They are not a very generous person kind of person. They are simply want everything for them. They don't want to leave anything, or they don't want to change. Even though if it is any past issues are there, they don't want to change, because they are very clingy towards whatever they have. Even though it is good or bad, that's a different thing. But it is a very clingy person. And one is youth energy. Knight of Cups is youth, young energy. This person want to offer the cup of love to. This person also may be looking for love, and that is also one reason they are very much ready with their cup. Whoever matching with their energy, they are ready to offer their cup of love. So here this person have Four of Cups in the reverse. Whoever this person who is in the past, they are not recognizing the opportunities around them. Now they are recognizing, or they are finally came to know about that there are so many opportunities around them, and they are ready to take the opportunity. So if at all you are matching with this Four of Cups, this is people whom you are dealing with. One is Three of Pentacles, very matured energy, don't want to put any kind of work, okay? And one is very clingy person, don't want to leave anything. One is a youth person, youth energy, who is very honest, very loyal, very loving, understanding. This person is a good match, I can say, based on this card. These two people are very materialistic, and they don't even, one is very much immature, okay? So let's see the outcome of this reading. It is very interesting actually. Three people, small kid, matured and young person. It is really a different thing. So let's see the outcome. Let's see the outcome for this Page of Pentacles. Outcome for the Page of Pentacles. So outcome for this Page of Pentacles in the reverse is Justice, Six of Pentacles and the Magician. So here I think this pile is completely different. Let's see, we will see first this pile so that we can understand whether this pile is going to match with any other energy, okay? So here this Page of Wands and Queen of Pentacles both are looking for love, because they want love, but I don't know how come it will, the love means, see, they can be like a parent's kid love, because Queen of Pentacles is a mother's energy, Page of Wands is a kid energy. So they can be in the love like parent and child love, okay? But here anyway in this situation the outcome is balancing, okay? Universe is balancing, because Justice card came. So they are getting whatever they deserve. Justice is nothing but having balance. We got two balance cards. One is Justice, scales is balancing, Six of Pentacles. Again the scales is balancing, means equal give and take is happening. So here I think two people are looking for the love in between them, or I can say, or one cup is there in between them. So both people are looking for love. So here the thing is, this page of wands going to get their karma, whether it is a good things, they did good karma, they will get good karma. If they did something bad, they are going to get bad karma. It completely depends on them. Okay, and I think this page of wands and page of pentacle is the same cards because both are pages. So here this person lost some friendship because of this love, I can say. So they are going to get the justice. Here I am not sensing any bad things. Maybe this person have something else for them. So they are going to get it because things are equally happening. It is not that someone is going to get the good thing, someone is going to get bad thing. Things are equal. The scales are balanced. So both are getting what they deserve. Okay. Here Queen of Pentacles is going to get this Magician. Someone who is manifesting this Queen of Pentacles. Actually they are manifesting, so because of their manifestation they are going to get this Queen of Pentacles. So whoever this Queen of Pentacles energy, they are going to get this Magician in their life. Here in this situation things are going to get balanced, but if at all these two people are dealing with this and the two people want this love in the situation, this page of wands is not going to get love. This page of wands is not even having friendship with this Queen of Pentacles, because here Pentacle, they can offer, but they are not even offering it. This page of wands is going to get their justice, and in the love situation for this Queen of Pentacles, whatever they are looking for that love, things will be balanced. They are going to get equal give and take. Because of their karma, they are going to get the Magician in their life, who is a master manifester. Okay. So let's get the clarify, no, outcome, I think. 8 of Cups. Outcome for this 8 of Cups in the reverse. Outcome for the 8 of Cups in the reverse. 2 more cards. I said only 2 more. So outcome for this 8 of Cups reverse, because these 3 people don't want to walk away from the situation, whatever situation they are dealing. So here outcome from them is, for not walking away from the situation, Page of Swords is going to get some new beginning in this. Whatever situation they are dealing, they are going to get some new beginning. And the person, the Hermit, who don't want to give up to do that inner work, because here 5 of Pentacles, they have a lot of abandonment issues. They may be having some monophobic or abandonment issues, which is childhood wounds kind of things, childhood issues. They want to heal it. For that they understood that they need to do that inner work. They need to do that healing. So they don't want to give up, even though that is a very scary thing, or at least it is a very difficult thing. They are not walking away from the situation. They are ready to do that inner work because they want to come out of this 5 of Pentacles energy, which is abandonment energy, which is feeling like an orphan who may be having a lot of people around them, but they still feel like an orphan. They will have some kind of fears regarding people going to abandon them. That is the reason they don't try to get deep with the people, because they have that fear. That fear stops them to get into the relationship or get into the deep connections to have a happy life, because this fear used to stop them, this abandonment fear. They will, whenever someone try to get near to them, get deeply involved with them, they immediately withdraw from that situation because of this fear, because of this abandonment issues. So they want to work on it. Finally, it is a good thing, whoever this Hermit, whoever want to do inner work, whoever watching reading, it is a good thing. You can do it. You are going to come out of this 5 of Pentacles energy. You are going to heal from these abandonment issues. And whoever this Hanged Man, anyway, they are not taking any kind of action. They are simply waiting. Let's see what is going to happen. They are not walking away anywhere. But the thing is, here they changed their perception. That's it. they're not doing anything, they're not taking any action, they're simply seeing what is happening in that situation. And the thing is, maybe in the past they used to see the situation in a different way. Now they are seeing the situation in a different way, other perception. Okay, Three of Wands is like waiting card, so maybe it will take some more time for them to receive what they are waiting, to solve the things. Because Hanged Man is also like a waiting card. Three of Wands is like a waiting patiently, waiting for something, their hard work to result, that kind of energy. Okay, so let's get the outcome for this Four of Cups in the reverse. 3 cards for outcome. We got 3 cards. So outcome for this Four of Cups in the reverse is the Lovers in the reverse, Queen of Swords in the reverse, Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. So the person, whoever not putting any efforts, Three of Pentacles in the reverse, that person is going to lose their love life or lover, I can say. If at all they are dealing with anyone as a twin flame or lover, they are going to lose that lover because they are not putting any work. Here, if they are dealing with twin flame union, it is very important for them to work on themselves. But here this person is not ready to work on themselves. That is also one reason this twin flame union is not going to happen as of now. Okay, until unless they won't work, it is not going to happen. And here this clingy person is not ready to leave something. They are very clingy towards something, and for that reason they are going to face this Queen of Swords in the reverse, who is very brutal queen, I can say, or who is not a good energy. Queen of Swords in the reverse is not a very good energy. They are completely abusive person, taking advantage, doing things in their mean nature, mean kind of person, who want controlling, very mean, because this person is very clingy. And how can they handle that clingy person? This is the way I think this person understood that this is the way they need to handle this person. So they need to deal with this Queen of Swords in the reverse energy, which is very abusive, very controlling, very mean, very ruthless, I can say. Not motherly nature. They don't know how to nurture the people, take care of people. Actually they may be, but here the Four of Pentacles is not a right energy. They need to understand this Four of Pentacles is very clingy energy. The clingy energy, we cannot show that love and all. So whatever they are getting, it is right for them, for that karma. Everything is same thing. I can here Knight of Cups is completely in the love. They are looking for love. They are looking for their life of love, I can say. Because of that, they are going to lose that Ten of Pentacles energy, which is very strong, grounded business or family, which is wealthy family, rich family. They need to leave that family because they want love. They need to leave because in that family, Ten of Pentacles is nothing but it is a profession, business, or I can say family which is very materialistically wealthy family, but there is no love, only materialistic things will be there. So anything, take the messages as it resonates. Okay, if at all they are having any kind of organization, big organization, because of that love they need to leave that organization. If it is simply family, wealthy family, rich family, where people don't understand what is love, then to have this love they need to leave this family, that abundant family, abundance, materialistically abundance family. It is completely depends on this person. Okay, so it is completely different reading today. Let's see whether someone is matching in this energy or not. Who is matching at least 1-2 energies? So here Page of Pentacles in the reverse, whoever looking for some kind of small beginning, at least in the friendship level, or at least small kind of help. They are not walking away from the situation. They are literally trying for it. They are going to get some new beginning, but they need to work on it. Unless they won't work on it, they are not going to get that lovers. They may be working for twin flame union This person maybe want that friendship with that other person, whoever they are dealing with. They lost that opportunity, but universe is going to get, because justice card is there, universe is going to give them a chance, because they are not walking away from the situation. They will get a new beginning, but they need to put that work. If they are not going to put, they are going to lose that chance. Whether it is in the connection of love relationships, or at least if they are dealing with any kind of twin flame union, they are going to miss that union in this lifetime. Or at least if this person is just looking for any kind of relationships, connections, even in the friendship matters, just is going to show. They are going to get some new beginning, but they need to work on it. Then only they can have that love, new beginnings in that love. They can get successful in that love. And I think whoever this Four of Cups, who is having lot of opportunities around them, but as of now, whoever they are in their life, those people are not correct for them. Those people are not right for them. One person is correct, but I don't think this person is willing to take that risk, because if they want to offer this cup to this person, Knight of Cups is want to offer this person who is coming out of this Four of Cups energy, they need to lose that Ten of Pentacles energy, that stability, that grounding nature, that strong, stable family or the business. They need to lose that. Then only they can get this Four of Cups person, whoever dealing with, whoever that energy, Four of Cups energy, who is looking for love. At least as of now, they are interested to, showing interest to have love in their life. And I think here this person need to work on, whoever clingy person, because until unless they won't work, they won't get love. Simple thing is, here this person is having clingy nature towards materialistic things, because they are, and because of this clingy nature, even though they are dealing with someone who is Queen of Swords in the reverse energy, even though they know that this person is not the right person, this energy is not a good energy, but still they are clingy towards this, because that clingy nature, that insecurities, that fears, they don't want to lose it, even though this person is not correct, because they have problem with this abandonment issues and poverty kind of issues. They scared that if at all they leave this person, they get away from this person, they are going to end up as a abandoned orphan, or they are going to lose their materialistic things. They will end up in poverty. For that they need to do their inner work, so that they can come out of all these fears and insecurities, and they will become a generous person, where they can learn that how to take equal give and take. Then they will have this love in their life. Because this reading is, it is like, to have this Six of Pentacles, to have this love, they need to leave these things, this clingy nature, this fear of being abandoned, fear of end up in the poverty. For that they need to do this inner work. They need to do that inner work. They need to do that inner journey. Then they will become this generous person, who at least they will learn how to take equal give and take, how to maintain equal give and take. Then they will receive this cup of love in their life. So conclude the reading. I think here this Page of Pentacle, who is looking for small kind of opportunity, whether it is a friendship related matters or whether it is, I think it is ended with lovers. So I can say that they are waiting for small kind of, This reading is like, we always say past, present, future, but here it is past, present, future. It became like this. So anyway, to get this small opportunity, this page of wands, anyway they will get some small opportunity. It is like karma. From the justice they will get small opportunity because of their communication and all, because the truth I can say, mostly because here it is also sword, here also sword, because they are speaking the truth. If they speak the truth, if they are honest, based on that they are going to get some new beginning because of that honesty, because this person is literally waiting for that kind of opportunity, new, at least a small opportunity. So for that they need to speak the truth. Swords is there, so that they will get this new opportunity, and they need to put the work. They need to do teamwork, then only they will get this opportunity, whatever opportunity they may be looking for. Here they are looking for small opportunity, but if they put the work, that small opportunity will become turn into the lovers, nothing but a twin flame union I can say, or at least if they are looking for friendship, if they put the work, if they are ready to do some teamwork, it will end up in a lover's relationship. They will become lover, whoever they are going to meet. So if it is in the financial sense, I think here it is, this person is looking for small friendship where they are unable to get with someone. So finally, by speaking the truth, they are getting one new beginning. But in that new beginning, if at all they work, they put their work, they put their efforts, they give their time, it is going to end up as a lovers. If at all they are not putting any work, they are going to lose it. And I think here one more, here I think this person, whoever offering this cup of love, here Queen of Pentacles also waiting for the cup of love. This person, if at all they want to give this cup of love, they need to sacrifice their business, I can say, or one stability. They need to lose their stability. It is like materialistic stability. If they want love, they need to leave that materialistic things. This Knight of Cups, if they want love, because they may be very grounded, stable family life or business kind of thing, they have materialistically they are well settled, but when it comes to love, there is no love. So if at all this person want love, they need to leave this stability. And I think this Queen of Pentacles is manifesting this Knight of Cups. I cannot say that what is going to happen, because here it is a tough time for this Knight of Cups, whether they need to choose love or they need to choose materialistic things. And here, if someone want love, they need to leave their clingy nature, they need to come out of their abandonment issues, they need to do a lot of inner work, they should become generous person, who they should learn how to maintain equal give and take. Then they are going to get their love in their life, no matter what kind of love. It doesn't mean that only lovers kind of love, from others also. To have that love, they need to learn how to maintain equal give and take. So here three energies is there, exactly same. When we started, it is like a page, one is young, one is elder, aged or mature person. Again we are same, ending with the same themes. So the page, whoever this immature person, they need to put lot of hard work, I can say. They need to invest time, they need to put efforts, they need to do the work. Without doing any work, they cannot expect anything in their life, whether it is in the personal matters, whether it is in the relationship matters, professional matters. If they are dealing with any kind of twin flame union also, they need to do work. They need to work on themselves. Then only they will get this union. And when it comes to Queen of Pentacles, that person is very stable, very grounded, but I think they are not interested in love, because they are looking for love but not exactly. They are just manifesting, I can say, not eagerly looking. They are just simply manifesting and waiting for that love. For whomever they want love, for that they need to lose the balance. If they want love, they lose this ground. Stability, materialistic things they need to lose. Different energies. And one aged person, mature person, they need to learn how to maintain equal give and take. Then only they will have love in their life. I hope some of them, these three energies, at least one energy is going to match you, which will give some information, at least what to do. That page is dealing with lovers, that is twin flame, or at least they want love in their life but not putting efforts, simply expecting is not going to work out. And Queen of Pentacles, whoever very stable, very grounded, if they want love, they need to lose that stability, I can say, because Pentacles, they need to lose that Pentacles to have love in their life. And the mature person who is stuck in their life without having any kind of love, they need to learn how to maintain equal give and take. For that they need to do inner work. They need to lose that, they need to leave that abandonment issues, clingy nature. I think this person have someone in their life who is like Queen of Swords energy, who is not a good energy. They are completely controlling that person. To come out of that person, to have love in their life, they need to come out of this fierce, clingy nature. They need to learn how to let go of the things, how to be independent instead of dependent, because this is dependent card. So for that they need to do inner work. Then they can walk away from the situation. Then they will become a generous person. They learn the lessons. Then they will have this cup of love. So it is little bit different version we got this time. So today it's completely different way we got the reading. But anyway, it is matching with this file, past to future, future to past. Matching. The work should be done in these three people's life. They need to put efforts. They need to do some inner work. One need to do some inner work. One need to learn some lessons. One need to work hard. Simply sitting and getting not going to happen. This page need to work. I think today completely different reading it is. I think I am seeing the things in a different perception today. Reading is like that, the collective reading. So anyway, thank you for watching. For more readings you can like and subscribe. For personal readings you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.